Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're diving into a fan theory that's been circulating online. Is Katsuki Bakugo from My Hero Academia somehow related to Shinichi Kudo from Detective Conan? They both have sharp minds, striking personalities, and even similar facial expressions in certain fan edits. But is there any real connection? Let's find out. Katsuki Bakugo is one of the main characters in My Hero Academia, created by Kohei Horikoshi. He's known for his explosive personality, literally, as his quirk allows him to create explosions from his palms. He's confident, intense, and determined to become the number one hero. Shinichi Kudo, on the other hand, comes from an entirely different universe. He's the genius high school detective from Detective Conan, created by Gosho Aoyama. After being poisoned by a secret organization, Shinichi is transformed into a child, but continues solving crimes under the alias Conan Edogawa. Fans notice similarities between the two characters, their intelligence, confidence, and iconic expressions. Some even joked that Bakugo could be a distant descendant of Kudo in an alternate timeline, connecting the worlds of heroes and detectives. Fan art and crossover stories added fuel to the theory, making it a fun topic in anime circles. However, these connections exist only in fan creations. The two series have different creators, studios, and universes, with no official crossover or shared lineage. Is Bakugo related to Kudo? In reality, there's no evidence that Bakugo and Kudo are related. My Hero Academia and Detective Conan are completely separate franchises. One focuses on superheroes, the other on crime-solving mysteries. The similarities between the two characters are purely coincidental, shaped by their creators' distinct storytelling styles. Still, fans love drawing parallels between strong, determined characters, and Bakugo and Kudo certainly fit that mold. Bakugo continues to play a major role in My Hero Academia, both in the manga and anime. Meanwhile, Shinichi Kudo's story is still ongoing in Detective Conan, which remains one of Japan's longest-running anime and manga series. Both characters have cemented their places as fan favorites in their respective worlds. So, is Bakugo related to Kudo? The answer is no, but it's easy to see why fans make the connection. Both characters represent brilliance, determination, and the will to overcome challenges. Whether you're a hero or a detective, it's the fire inside that defines you. Thanks for watching, Vim Survivors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more anime deep dives and Where They Are Now stories.